fuck.
We know who it is. Marco, me and you were literally next to each other the entire time.
You didn't murder me, so...
Yeah, so
nice,
it's Big Boy.
Nice try, Big Boy.
Fuck.
Right. It's a busy day today. Back in electrical. My day be so fine, then boom, electrical.
Shut up, Denzel. Shut up.
Oh shit.
Holy shit, Jesus Christ. I found Scott's body, I think, top left.
I was an admin with Eduardo before I left, so I don't think it was Eduardo.
I was in cafeteria and I saw a 10-inch, so I give 10-inch a pass.
I don't know
Could be
who it
bigger
is.
though.
Yeah, but he
I don't
walked
know
in
who it is.
later.
It could be Denzel. I've not seen Denzel at all this game.
I've
I
seen
have not actually seen him at all either.
I've seen Big Boy, so I have to say it's Denzel.
Yeah, I think it's Denzel.
Are you able to vote, Big Boy?
I don't know. I don't think.
I think it's nice, doggo.
How come he's not even talking? Kind of just giving up. I don't think it's him. If it's not him, it's 10-inch PP.
That's so dumb. You guys are voting me just because I wasn't talking.
Oh my God, Denzel! Well, we already voted you, man. Man, you're the killer, G. You're the killer.
But you're voting me because you didn't see me. That is so dumb.
I am.
You are
Denzel's argument stands up in a court. Yes, I killed him, but I have not talked this entire time, Your Honor. I've not.
The man was so smooth AF, and then he fucks up by just not unmuting himself.
We did, Denzel, and we won. So tis what it tis.
Shut the fuck up and playing. Okay. No more crew member.
Why?
What?
Yeah, I'm gonna vote you off the map now, okay?
Thank God I wasn't the first to die
And
again.
I only found him. I found him in the security room, but I didn't see anything else, so I only found the dead body.
Stay away from my navigations. Bitches.
Do we
Navigation.
vote Marco if Denzel saw him in the vents and now he's dead? That's kinda sus, dude.
Okay.
That is.
Okay,
that is
Uncle, the
hella sus.
thing you just said sounds really sus. Like you're just like, stay away from me, bitch. It's like, okay.
Hey,
I'll vote him if everyone else votes him.
Okay,
Yeah,
I think I'm gonna vote Marco, honestly,
Marco.
because...
I think it is Marco.
Marco, sorry, pal, but like, you're doing it bad.
You fucked yourselves over, boys.
We didn't do anything wrong.
Yes, you did.
Big Boy voted for himself.
What a chat.
It wasn't me.
Okay, then I don't know.
It's
I don't know.
I'm gonna just go back to camps.
I don't know. I don't know who it is.
What's wrong?
What?
Marco.
Oh,
Oh, wait, I forgot we
okay,
voted
Marco's
Marco.
Oops.
Oh wait, no, yeah, we voted him.
We voted him off.
What's-
So
what's-
we killed him,
Aiden
guys.
is
We killed him.
super
What's
sus.
the?
I was
Lurking
I
at
was
that doorway.
I was literally downloading stuff off the
So-
wall.
What? You
What's-
weren't even in front
what's
of the thing,
happening?
though.
I was in communications. I was downloading stuff off the wall,
know what the
and then I
fuck's
fucked up and
happening. I know
exited
what's
before.
going on.
I think it's Big Boy.
Oh, bro.
I genuinely think it's Big Boy.
Hey, well, vote me. If it's not me, vote blue. I dare you.
It's not me. I'm
So-
skipping. I don't know who it is, but I know
I think it might be Aiden, honestly.
it's
It's
100% not. I was literally on the wall. Okay,
Okay.
vote me if you want.
He jumped on the Marco train really fast with me.
You're
It's not
talking,
me.
If it's not
all I'm
Aiden,
saying.
it's Noah.
you're
It's not
talking
me.
really
It's
panicky
not
over
me.
here.
You're voting an innocent man to death. I did nothing wrong.
You're really
I literally did
panicking.
nothing.
Sorry, pal.
I don't want to die. I don't want to die. I don't want to die.
Shit. Oh my god, I feel awful
Hi.
now.
I don't want to.
Oh my god.
Right.
Holy
Noah.
fuck. Hmm.
I didn't even see the body. It just said
Okay, it's 100% Scott then, right, Logan?
Why?
Because I saw Logan doing the medbay thing where he was doing the scan, so he's clean.
I was like,
Jackson was beside me. But
Fuck.
And I
Jackson,
finished
you're
all my
free
tasks.
get fucked.
I'm sorry, I finished all my
Man.
tasks, and I trusted you. That was my fault. But I was in security
but
cameras watching.
how the fuck do we know if you finished a task or not?
That's blind trust.
I have no reason to trust you. I was literally fixing comms.
That's fair. But, like,
What the fuck?
it was a ploy.
I was the cameraman. What's going on? I didn't do
Man
nothing.
with a knife in his
I didn't do nothing wrong. Take to the beat, to the funk, to the na- dun, dun,
Bruh.
Aiden is dead. He was in the room with the
no! The PP guard!
Oh,
I
not
trust
so done
Logan.
He was in the room with the big guns. I was doing a medical scan, so I decided to just fuck it. I said fuck it and decided to do my task with the lights off, and I just find his body in the pitch black darkness.
Logan and I were running in circles in main lobby.
And Cap, yeah.
So basically, I was in medical the entire time. I have no idea what's going on.
I
think
fixed
Jackson
lights, so
finally got his game.
No, I haven't. I'm still sad.
I'm voting
You don't
Jackson.
sound sad.
No, fuck you,
Yeah.
man! Get out of here.
you guys gonna ruin his first game?
If it's him, he's gonna be pissed.
I'm already
I'm-
pissed. What
I'm
do you
skipping,
mean?
So.
Oh
Fuck
my
my life. Get the
god.
fuck out of here.
Why do you vote for
Game, I'm
yourself?
going to bed. You can't kill me if I quit.
It was him.
I knew it.
It took him for like what 2 hours?
I
and
can't
voted
vote.
off immediately.
Jackson! Yay! Jackson, first game!
Process of
You died for a reason, you
What-
stupid
what-
bitch.
There was like